Hello there and welcome back to another exciting video. If you stick with me for the next 10 minutes or so, I'll not only show you how to do it, but also show you how to grow it and start making even more money. You don't need a website, you don't need a credit card, and you can do it from anywhere in the globe. And this is going to be one of the most interesting videos you've ever seen on how to make money on the internet. So without further ado, let's get started. In today's video, I will show you how to earn $2,500 by boosting campaigns online. This is fast and easy, and it is free and available worldwide. So make sure not to miss any part of the video. But first, don't forget to like this video and let me know in the comment section if you enjoy learning new money-making strategies so that I may continue to share new ways to make money online. Kickbooster is the name of the website that will allow you to make money on autopilot. Kickbooster.me is a good place to start if you're curious about how this website operates. Software options for crowdfunding producers are listed on the website's homepage. In essence, Kickbooster is a branch of Bold Commerce dedicated to finding the most powerful and effective ways to help project creators realize their dreams. It's a thriving market with a wide range of projects that creators can promote through affiliates. That is precisely what you will do today. This section should be read carefully because the registration process can be complicated. When you hover your mouse over the user's button on the website's homepage, you'll be presented with a variety of different user alternatives from which to choose. I'd like you to select the Affiliates button, which will take you to a different page where you can learn more about the method we'll be employing. To become a Kickbooster affiliate marketer, all you have to do is create unique affiliate links to your favorite projects and get paid for each successful pledge that comes through your link. You only need to follow 4 easy steps. Doing it doesn't require any special skills or knowledge. These procedures are straightforward enough for anyone to follow. As a first stage is important to create an account, it should only take you about 2 minutes to finish. The second stage, on the other hand, basically tells you to look through numerous project categories and share and earn from them. Create your own affiliate link and promote it on social media. In the third stage, just spread the word. And the fourth and final level, which I know is everyone's favorite. You'll be compensated by receiving commissions on every pledge made through your affiliate link. Let's get started with the sign-up process, which is fairly straightforward. To get started, simply click the purple icon to go to the sign-up page. This is how the registration page should look. Here you'll only need to provide your name and email address. Before that, make sure you have access to PayPal account. And because as this website takes PayPal payments, simply leave the referral code blank. Remember to put in and confirm your password, and then check this box to agree to their terms of service and privacy policy. All you have to do now is sign up your information. Your screen should now look like this. Assuming you've completed a registration procedure, you must then proceed to the marketplace and click on it. On the marketplace page, you'll find a variety of projects and campaigns that you may promote and share with everyone to earn a lot of money. Pay close attention because I'm about to reveal the Kickbooster categories that will allow you to make a lot of money. The first thing I want to show you is how to get the category section on the left side of the website. Here you'll find information on a variety of issues such as beauty and personal care, design, education, everyday carry fashion, and so on. Concentration on a particular category is crucial. When you're initially getting started, you have 3 options: design, health, and technology. Simply choose one of these 3 categories to assist you in making a substantial amount of money. When you've completed pressing those buttons, the marketplace will be filtered for you automatically. Before we continue, don't forget to like this video, click the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I post a new and exciting videos about earning new money-making strategies online. My second piece of advice is to sort the marketplace by commission. You can go from high to low by hitting the sort by a button. Right now, the most profitable campaign is right in front of you. These campaigns will now help you generate a huge number of commissions, which will allow you to earn more money. Isn't that amazing? For example, I publicized this campaign in which we'll be promoting a new technical item. You can see how much money has been raised. So far, by sharing the word about this campaign on the right, you may read more about how it works. If you scroll down to the bottom of this product page, you might also see how much it would cost to sell it. You will now receive a 10% commission on the product sale price. If someone bridges it through your affiliate link, it's as simple as that. Simply share your one of a guide affiliate link, sit back and relax, and tell everyone a decline ad about it. If you've already decided to promote this campaign, go back to the marketplace and click the Boost This Campaign button. When you go back to your dashboard, you'll see your referral link, which you'll need to share to make a lot of money. The next step is to actually share your affiliate link on the internet now, and we've updated. I'll show you a Quora method as I will allow you to make a lot of money. So go to Quora's website right now and sign up with your Google or Facebook account. This site is currently incredibly reliable when it comes to affiliate marketing. You can just respond to other people's posts to promote your link, or you can create your own posts. Rather than simply reacting to other people's, posting this will almost probably result in more commissions. Remember to explore the categories that address technology, wireless connectivity, lost and found, and other topics to make your Quora post more engaging. And your Kick Booster dashboard, you'll find a button to download Media Kit. This Media Kit is really beneficial if you want people to see the genuine product. As a result, they'll be more likely to make a purchase through your affiliate link. Remember that the more product they see, the more likely they are to purchase it. You will also probably earn more commissions as a result of this. And that's it. I hope you find this video helpful. Please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel with notifications turned on so you don't miss any of our future videos. I appreciate your undivided attention, and I hope to see you on the next one.